What is up, everybody? I just wanted to film myself just smoking some short ribs, and I just wanted to take you guys along for the ride. Thank you guys again for tuning in. Let's get smoking. I will be cooking with these 4 small little pieces of short rib. Choice bone in. So 4 pieces cost $37. So right now I literally just had it out, thawing out all day. So I think it's pretty frozen still. Yeah, this is still pretty frozen. I might keep thawing it out, and then I was gonna pretty much just season it with salt and then put it back in the fridge until I want to smoke it, which would be tomorrow. But I just wanted to show you guys what we're working with. Don't they look nice? Alright, back at it again. I let it dry or marinade, whatever you want to call it, overnight. So now I am going to slather it up with some yellow mustard and then rub some Memphis style barbecue rub on it. So then after that, after I take it out and then foil it up, I'm gonna put some honey barbecue rub. It's for me and Kim, so you don't really need that much, but yeah, it's just to bind the seasoning with the meat. Here it goes. You guys already know how to cook. I'm just showing you how I do it. Traeger does all the work. I don't even have to do anything. Just press a button and you're good to go. Looks like it's about to rain, guys. So I just put up the tent. $180, $185, $186. This is the Traeger Ranger. Filled it up with pellets. I forget which one I'm using, but it's from Walmart, so I'll just let it do its thing. This is what they look like after 2.5 hours, I think it is. So I'm going to put some more rub and put butter on it and maple syrup. So just these 3 ingredients, I think it is. And you guys didn't remind me. You didn't remind me. Why didn't you remind me? No, that's not it. That's not it. Where is it? Brown sugar. There you go. Big boy first. Bone down, then add some butter. Pretty much just cut and place on the pan.